Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In this video, I just want to make a quick follow-up regarding Ethereum, right? As we mentioned on the last video, if you want to stay conservative, you might want to step back and wait for a pullback. But if you want to be aggressive, you just want to count this as a new wave, right? Going up as you got your 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC correction, and then you're expecting another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when you look at the 4-hour time frame, things looks very scary, right? We are overextended. The market Ethereum is overextended, right? When you look at the 4-hour, look at the 13 EMA is too far away, right, from the price, right? So we need a pullback right here. Look at what you can see, the same type of reaction right here. Same type of reaction in this area, pullback. So we need a pullback right around this area, right? So let me take a look at this Fibonacci, right? So we could see a pullback to 382, right? So that would be like 109. The current price is like, it was like just roughly 118, right? So we could see a pullback to 109. That's about like almost 8%, right? So look at this area right here. 382, same thing, right? So, and same scenario applies to this area, right? 382, right? So like this, 382, right? So 382 to 50%, right? So let's just redo it to be accurate. Yeah, 382 to 50%, right? So you can expect at least Ethereum to pull back down to this area of 109 to 110, right? So very soon. And you can also look at this area within the the wave right here. Let me get this. Look at this area, right? Similar area, similar area. So we most likely gonna get the same type of area in this, within the sub waves, right? Within the waves. But let's take a look at this, the 15-minute chart, right? Okay. 15 minutes chart. Okay. So what do you have? Okay. That was a wave number 5. We got this ABC correction. So what do you have next? So we were expecting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we still need a wave number 5, right? Because you gotta count this as wave number 1, 1, 2. You got very extended wave number 3, number 4. This could be number 5, right? So it's kind of like a 1, 2, 3 that formation, right? So like this, 1, kind of like this, 1, 2, right? So that's 1, this is 2, and then this is 3, right? So number 3, wave number 3 was kind of broken, right? So we tested wave number 3 with a 5th wave, right? So what do we expect now? So we could be expecting price to come back down to this area, right? So let's see. If this is wave number 1 of a 5-wave structure, right? So you have to remember this is only the wave 1, right? So we still want to stay aggressive, right? We say Ethereum gonna make another 5-wave structure, and this is one of the internal waves, right? So we could be retracing to 382, which is about 110, right? So if you look at it, this is 110, right? So when you look at the 15 minutes chart, you can see like what's going on, right? But in a 4-hour chart, you cannot see all these details, right? So let me just go back. So in a 4-hour chart, we say which kind of retrace back to 109 to 110, right? And in a 15 minutes chart, you can see we say we're gonna retrace back to 110, right? So let's go back and take a look at this 4-hour chart. And remember, this is the most aggressive way of trading Ethereum right now. So you could be waiting for a pullback, at least a 10 to 15% pullback. Wait till the market is bloody again. Okay, get this right there, right here. Same thing, 109, right? So if you don't look at the 15 minutes chart, you're not going to see any of these details. So when the market, kind of drop like 5 to 10%, you kind of panic, right? So, but let's see if you're going to get like this rebound right here to 109 and then retest this area, right? So, and then most likely, if we're going to continue the trend, you're going to have another, let's say we come back down to this area, right? We're going to have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And most likely going to like 125, right? So, but we're just going to have to wait and see until the price come in contact with this 13 EMA, and then we're going to decide what's the next step to take, right? Because this is very vertical. The volume looks good, right? We having like an increasing volume, right? So that's pretty good, supporting the whole price action, right? So, and at the same time, look at this trend. Even if you don't want to count your Elliott wave, you could just count this, right? Take this trend line right here. It has been respected. Change the color. Get another line. Look at this these two parallel lines, right? So you could just trade it like that. So definitely we're gonna get a pullback, and let's say retest this support line right here. So which would be like right around 109 to 110, right? So alright, so let's see, let's take a closer look. Exactly, so right, so it would be right around 109 to 110. So it might be a very quick dump, right? So, and then followed by a retest of that area, so this way, like this. At least retest this area of 50%, right? 111. So, alright, that's about it for today. I'm gonna update the price action of Ethereum and Bitcoin later on. Also, we're just gonna have to wait and see. Hopefully, we're not gonna see some dump, like the market not gonna go bloody again, right? So, because it's been a while since we have this type of price action, like 5 straight days, right? So that's pretty good. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, let me know what you think down below, and then see you next time, right? Thank you for watching.